think meditation chose me. I had like the grander vision of it, but I wasn't really sure if people were ready to just go and meditate without the yoga and without other aspects to it. So I thought, wait a second, maybe we do it mobile. You walk through the door, sign in, easy peasy. You leave your things in the cubby, take your shoes off, walk in to your spot. Once you're all settled in, you are in the great hands of one of our instructors who will guide you through a 15 or 30-minute meditation. We just launched like 4 months ago, so we're very new. So I really do feel that there's space for, mobile studios like this in every big city. So we've been working on that too. There's so many benefits to meditation. Mentally, it just helps you keep focused, it helps create awareness. Emotionally, it helps build compassion, it helps build empathy. And then it helps your health. Meditation really is like an all-around wellness tool, and it's just so simple. So it's about just actually getting to do it.